Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much to all my lovely and wonderful subscribers, and if you are new to my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. My name is Justina, and in here we do food recipe mukbang. If you are a foodie, if you love food, if you love eating, if you love cooking, then this is a place to be. Subscribe and stay tuned. In today's video guys, I am going to be making oven baked tilapia. I'm just going to show you guys how I marinate the tilapia and how I bake it, and also I'm going to be making a small side sauce to go with it, and I'm going to also be making side potato, sweet potato and Irish potato, and roasting corn as well. So it's going to be a beautiful day in here in my kitchen. Come on board and I will introduce you guys to our ingredients for today. Please stay tuned to the end of the video. For my ingredients for today, I'm going to be using 2 tilapia fish, fresh ginger and garlic and maggi, ginger and garlic paste, curry and thyme, mixed seasoning, salt, 2 fresh corns, fresh parsley, fresh red pepper, red chili, red onions, tomato. For my tomato, I have taken out the seed. I don't want the seed. And also there's habanero pepper in there somewhere. So guys, in here is my potatoes. I have sweet potato and I have Irish potato. So I'm going to add salt, and I'm going to boil this for like 10 minutes because I am not only boiling it, but I am also going to be frying it. So I'm going to cover. So guys, I am going to mix the ingredients. For my fish, half a teaspoon of salt, thyme, mixed seasoning, ginger, garlic. I'm going to add maggi, 1 maggi cube. Oh, I forgot to mention vegetable oil. I'll be using vegetable oil as well. 2 spoons of the vegetable oil. I'm going to mix. So I'm going to rub this all over the fish, and then I will put the fish inside the oven. So guys, after rubbing it all over my fish, I am going to put my fish inside the oven. So for my corn, I'm not actually going to do anything special on it. I'm just gonna peel out the back and then put it inside the oven the way it is. So you just take out the back, wash it and put it inside the oven. So guys, after 10 minutes, I am going to take my potato out of the pot. Like I said, I am not going to be cooking it until it's done here. I am going to take it out, pour out the water, and then I'll proceed in frying the potatoes. So guys, after taking out my potato, I am going to get the oil ready so I can start frying my potato. I forgot to mention that I'm going to oven bake my fish for 30 to 35 minutes. So I'm going to add my oil. I'm using my oil that I have used to fry something before. So I'm going to add a bit more oil, and I'm going to put that on the stove and let it start getting hot. So guys, I have put in my oil on the stove. I'm going to add some seasoning in the potato. I'm going to add some garlic. I'm going to add ginger, thyme, and a bit of curry. I'm going to mix. So I'm going to set it aside. When the oil is ready, I'll start adding it inside the oil. So guys, while I'm waiting for my oil to get hot, I am going to start slicing my sweet pepper, tomato, onions, and also I am going to pound my ginger and garlic. So guys, I'm going to start adding our potato in the oil. I'm going to just allow it to fry until it becomes, crispy a bit. So guys, now I have taken out my potato and my sweet potato. I am going to start frying my onions and peppers. I left a little bit of oil in the pot. I am going to add my onions. So I'm going to allow that to heat up for like 2 minutes. I'm going to add my ginger and garlic. So I allowed my ginger and garlic to fry for like 1 minute. I'm going to add all my pepper and tomato in the pot. I'm going to allow this to fry for like 10 minutes. So guys, now I'm going to slice my parsley. So guys, after 10 minutes, I'm going to add all my seasoning inside the pot. I'm going to add thyme, I'm going to add curry, I'm going to add mixed seasoning. I'm going to add salt. I'll add 1 maggi. So I'm going to give this sauce another 4 to 5 minutes and this sauce is ready. So guys, after 4 to 5 minutes, it is time to take our sauce off from the stove. It is ready. So guys, after 35 minutes, our fish is ready. I baked the corn separately, so I did not bake both of them together. But yes, the fish absolutely look divine and I just can't stop perceiving the aroma of it. Let's plate it up on the plate. So guys, I'm going to put our fish, I'm going to add our potatoes, So guys, now I am going to sprinkle our parsley. So guys, this is where today's recipe is going to end. Please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Please like, please share, and please subscribe. I hope you enjoyed this wonderful recipe. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this wonderful recipe for today. It has been a wonderful, delightful time cooking and spending a lovely time with you guys. I'm always so happy and so delighted to share a recipe or do a cooking video with you guys, and I hope you are as delighted as I am making it. Thank you so much for stopping by, and if you have made it through to the end of this video, you're such a champion. Thank you so much. And yeah, the aroma in here is wonderful. I can't possibly wait to dive in and demolish this food like champions. Thank you so much, and I will see you guys on my next one. Please do not forget to give your girl a thumbs up, because it really means a lot to me in terms of growing and promoting my channel in here on YouTube. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on my next one. Bye.